My name's James Govan. I'm a director with Ash and Lindsay in the firm. I handle the litigation, in particular personal injuries litigation within the firm. It's always been on the side of the individual as against the big insurance company and things like that, just trying to help the underdog essentially. I think you have to look at each claim as a claim that proceeds in stages and look at little victories along the way.
When I had the injury, it was work-related. They let me go after 12 months, so I'm looking at continuing medical expenses along the way. I've just felt the stress just lifted right off my shoulders because James took a lot of control of it.
She'd come to me having already been through the system effectively with another firm quite a few years ago. It didn't make sense to me, the outcome. I reviewed the claim. I got funding from WorkCover to get an additional report that got her additional compensation for the injury, for the lump sum compensation, for pain and suffering, and it's opened up a work injury damages claim for her. I think it's just a matter of being direct with them, being open with them, trying to be yourself, making sure that their expectations are not unrealistic and that we're in it together. Insurance company would certainly take advantage of them if they were unrepresented. We're there to help them through the system and get them out through to the other end.
Going back in 2010, I witnessed a pretty horrific accident where a man was crossed to death. I was diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder. I lost 2 of my teeth down in here from not eating. I didn't think that I was worth anything, you know.
His claim was out of time when he came to me. He'd been to other lawyers, they didn't want to look at it. I was happy to take the case on and able to deal with any time problems, get him very, very good compensation, and it's changed his life.
Money that I never thought even existed came across to me like, wow, you know, not only that, but I got the right medical help that I needed.
They won't find anyone who's more passionate about their case than I am, or more confident about getting a good result for them. I think it's just trying to help people who are in need, really.